Hey there, investors. Choosing the right broker can make or break your portfolio. Today, we're comparing three popular platforms in Portugal: DEGIRO, XTB, and Saxo Bank. This is to help you decide which one fits your needs. Let's dive in. First up, we have DEGIRO. Founded in 2008 in the Netherlands, DEGIRO is known for its ultra-low fees, making it a favorite for most cost-conscious investors. It offers stocks, ETFs, bonds, and options across global markets. Its platform is simple, perfect for self-directed investors, but it lacks advanced tools and doesn't offer commission-free trading or interest on uninvested cash. DEGIRO is regulated by top European authorities and holds a banking license for added security. Next, we have XTB Portugal. Launched in 2002, XTB is a global player listed on the Warsaw Stock Exchange. It shines with commission-free stocks and ETFs up to 100,000 euros monthly, plus interest on uninvested cash. XTB's XStation 5 platform is user-friendly, offering stocks, ETFs, and CFDs on forex, indices, and crypto. It's regulated by the FCA and others with strong support but higher fees for non-CFD products. Finally, we have Saxo Bank. This Danish broker, founded in 1992, is a premium choice with over 40,000 instruments, including stocks, ETFs, forex, and crypto trading. Its platform is robust with excellent research tools and a demo account. Saxo is regulated across 15 countries, but its fees are higher and it requires a €2,000 minimum deposit in Portugal. It's great for advanced traders, but less beginner-friendly. So, how do they stack up? DEGIRO is the cheapest, ideal for long-term investors focused on stocks and ETFs, but it's basic and lacks commission-free options. XTB Portugal is best for active traders who want commission-free trading and CFDs with a slick platform and cash interest. Saxo Bank suits sophisticated investors needing diverse markets and advanced tools, but its higher fees and deposit requirements might deter beginners. For cost, DEGIRO wins. For versatility, XTB, and for premium features, we go Saxo. Pick DEGIRO for low-cost, long-term investing, XTB for commission-free trading and CFDs, or Saxo for a high-end, diverse experience. Check the comparison chart below and visit their websites to start investing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.